Great Bar Council for Goa. What is the details?
Uh, Discussion is that we had a member of Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa visiting us today, and many of us met today. It is not that the discussion has started today. The Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa has already passed a resolution that there should be a separate Bar Council for the state of Goa. Today in the course of our meeting with the people, the issue came up and we discussed. We are also of the view that since Goa is a separate state now in a sense Goa is a separate state, and for state of Goa there must be a separate bar council existing, so that all our issues, all our problems are taken up by our own bar council, and we get easy access for our bar council here in Goa itself. So therefore there is a circulation that there must be a separate bar council for the state of Goa, and probably in the near future we would aggressively demand it also. So we feel that it should happen, and we may act towards achieving that goal.
So any process is being initiated?
As of now, no process is initiated. Even our association, Advocates Association, Bar Association, have earlier mentioned, and some letters are also there, some resolutions are passed, that we must demand for a separate bar council for the state. And I feel it is a logical demand that advocates from Goa will have if we are making it, that independent state, independent bar council, very logical. So, but nothing has started as of now. But in the near future, probably something positive can happen in that.